Hope everyone's up for a fight, because all of our worlds are at stake.
I have the power of the Siege Perilous because of you! So here's my way of saying thanks! Wasting my time! Why am I trying to take you out when I have the power to take out the entire world?
This can't be over. What's our next move, Spider-Man? Goblin knows I'm Peter Parker. Electro has the power of the Siege Perilous. I don't know what to do anymore.
Hey, Spidey, snap out of it!
Do you not remember what you did in our worlds? You made a difference. It's time to do it again, but in the here and now.
But
Nothing! Thou art still Spider-Man!
Not gonna let you cry wee all the way home.
you're right. Spider-Man can't worry about himself. Spider-Man has to think of others first. Our next move, we drop Osborn off at the nearest hospital. Then we do what Spideys do. We save the day. Ever wonder why supervillains always end up with a giant robot?
No, but it's always a good sign when you're going in the opposite direction of a screaming crowd.
Tie it up and slow it down. Can't let him use this thing to fry the city.
This better work, future me! Couldn't leave well enough alone! Now you get to fry!
It's time to cleave our enemies in twain. Have at thee!
Nice shot for a ham.
100% pure ham, except nothing less.
Hey, I've always wanted one of these.
You think you're pretty funny, don't you?
I won't lie, I do crack myself up from time to time.
Well, you won't be laughing when this thing self-destructs.